I decided to do this one separately, tool video, because I thought it was cool. Might be boring to you. I thought it was cool. It looks kind of unique. What is it? I mean, you probably already know because I put a title in the video, so I'll just show you. Like, duh. Let's see, is this bright enough? I had my lights set before, and they're all stupid now. It's a HART 8-in-1 precision screwdriver set, which is, I don't know, ideal for small electronics, toy assembly, and battery compartments. So I guess for the average homeowner, good little tool. How do we get it out of here now? Of course, the average person can't get it out of the package like this. Let's see if I can get it out of here. Be nice. So I can show you. So anyway, so much for... Come on, get out of there. Okay. I just put a nice scratch on the side of it. Yeah, great, Chris. And yes, I already have a little tool like this, which honestly is probably far superior, but you know what? All right, comes in this annoying little package. How does this work now? Apparently, tool goes in here. Oh, it's like it's magnetic, and you have tool storage in the handle. So the handle, everything goes in. There's flat bits, a couple of flats, and what are they, Phillips? They all fit in here. Let's see. Ta-da. It's kind of like the size of a center punch. Do they all fit in there? Come on. With a little tiny cap on the end. I don't know how they put this. Must have been all screwed together and glued. Basically, it's a little neat little screwdriver. And I gouged the hell out of it. It says HART on the side, which is pretty cool. Nothing spectacular. It's got a little, what do you call it, side clip, which is so cheap it'll definitely, like if you're going to put a little pocket clip on there, put one that doesn't suck, because that's going to come off. Like screw it through the actual device. But I mean, overall, it's just a piece of aluminum with a little magnet inside, and I'm guessing it's either, oh yeah, it's probably just knurled. It's been knurled and lathed here. Oh, okay. They basically, what do you call it? Cut it out, bored out the tube, put this in here, stuck a magnet down here, and I don't know, somehow got that all the right size, and then just shaved it off, because these little, you basically like anodized it and then put on a lathe and shaved it here, spun it, shaved it, and shaved it, and in there, so you have these little things. It's not even, see how there's little like silver lines in here, like here and here and here and here. It's just like been machined out very, very poorly, of course. The bits are cool though. I mean, look how many bits we have. Oh, look at that. And the magnet is, wait, is that sticking in there? Hey, look, the magnet holds. It's working on both sides. Got 1, 2, 3 Phillips and 3 flat. At least they're somewhat useful. What's in my opinion? I could use this. What is that? 1.5? It's usable. I would say it's acceptable for home use. Anywhere. I mean, why not? I mean, if you want a super precision one, wait, I'll show you a better one. Because I always have something better to play with, right? Where is it now? Where's the good one? If you want a really good one, you buy a Klein tool on here. Even though it's all plastic, the bits are made a heck of a lot better. There are, where's the other bits? This one comes out and switches. Ta-da! And if I remember correctly, there's more bits in here. These bits turn around. The Klein tool one is definitely in a category of its own. You can spin like that. This, yeah, it's a Walmart special, but you know what? It feels like a pen. Actually feels like a writing pen. It's about as, yeah, it's about as fat as a Sharpie. See? It's about as long as a Sharpie, which is, see, it's about as long as, which is good. Which is quite fine. I also have a set of, what are these? El Cheapo run-of-the-mill ones like this. So instead of having 25 sets or something, you could have just one little one for the house. Because, I mean, the most you use it for is prying up a watch battery, which nobody wears watches anymore, so I have phones. Some of the toys I played with, I'll have little tiny, not so much flat, but the Phillips. So, neat little toy. I'd throw it in the bin and use it. And the name, I don't know, HART. Doesn't sound too beefy to me. I think that's it for Wally World. That's it. Anyway, that was my review of oh, here's my face on fire. Ta-da. See. Let's put a, where's this? Nice little toy. Good for average person. I mean, clearly not everybody's going to buy a $60, $50. You know, I think this was under $10. So yeah, like tiny things. I think it's the joy of having something cool. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Tell me about all my junk in the back. Tell me how crazy my videos are. Whatever. Thanks for watching.